Hi guys, how's it going? So let's read what's going on here. That's a live chat. Hi. Hi Ali. Hi Oli. Hi Walter. Hi Song. Hey Mukesh, how's it going? I'm good, thank you. Hi Harun, Jumeli. Hi Munirol. I'm just still reading through those people from Mars and from the moon, like that. Okay guys, so let's get back to the chart here. A lot of people from you guys can see the DAX. I think that's a good entry. If you draw just the trend line like that, you can say this is perfect right here. That one right here, right guys? Okay, and that's the second one right here. And that's the third one almost right there. That's the fourth one, so it's not bad. We put sell DAX 2400. 2020, so it dropped like 30 points or something. This may go all the way down to here, and this will shape a triangle, okay, and that will maybe will have a massive breakout because that's a correction wave right here, okay. This is gonna break to one of the sides. In my opinion, it needs to break down first, okay, to just make this structure looks good. Come here, delay a little bit, have more momentum, then the banks will push it back up. So in my opinion, this is need to come to 10,800 right here. This will make everything looks beautiful if this will happen. Okay guys, so that's possible. If you take this sell, it's not too bad if your stop loss just at the top here, because he did bounce from a trend line in a correction wave, and you're targeting this lower band, which has been considered to be a support one time here and one time there, okay. And previously also, let's see if that was previously considered as anything. Yeah, once it broken here, there was a big gap. So this, and that's a round number. Yeah, it's a round number, the 11750 or so. So that's possibly, it may come all the way down here. And you can see you have two levels. If that level and that one, which is very, very strong level here, which is a 10,750. Okay, that's for the big picture. Anytime we do break above this trend line is going to offer a really good buy opportunity. So this red line here, that's going to expand all the way. Anytime we do break above that one, that's going to be a beautiful buy. Okay, guys. Uh, so the market is not decided, still going in a correction so far. But anyway, we said to sell that one. So far is going good here. You know, it's not too bad for technical analysis. You're kind of okay, correction up and down, but that looks like it's gonna. Okay, guys, so let's just talk about our systems. You know, guys, the best systems in the market. So Australia and New Zealand are weak. Why? Anybody can tell me why? Yes, because stock market is going down. So if you do have our VSA Power Meter Market Scanner, which is really amazing tool, then it will tell you that now the Australia and New Zealand against franc and Japanese yen going down, then means the stock market is going down. Then you are short the DAX and the Dow, and maybe Australian, Chinese, Indian market, whatever market you have, it doesn't matter, they're all gonna move the same direction. Okay, so Swiss franc safe haven is going up, Japanese yen safe haven going up, dollar safe haven going up, euro should stay at the middle. Also, the pound should come to the left and the Canadian should come to the right. That will look like perfect way to short the stock market and sell the DAX. Okay. What about gold at that time? Gold will be ranging. It depends on the how much the stock market is gonna fall and how much the dollar index is gonna go up. So it's gonna be undecided. In my forecast, I can see one push down right here. Anytime we do break above 1775 with a strong bullish candle, then that's it. Then you're gonna take off to the up side. But I do expect one wave. This you can see this has been expanding. We expected to break yesterday or something. It's not happening. So this is expanding right here. So we really believe this break is going to be to the downside first to 1740, and that's going to be offer a really good buy opportunity to take this buy long. Okay. Going back to this, which is everything in the market. This such a tool you have to have in your MT4. It's just going to make everything easy for you. So you go and use the Australian Japanese yen, New Zealand Japanese yen, just like what we expected yesterday about the SBX to crash yesterday or have a big fall. Then it's going to take Australian Japanese yen, New Zealand Japanese yen. I would avoid to trade the Swiss franc. You know, I just don't like to trade it. It's too much manipulated by the bank. I just use it as indication if the stock market is going to go up or down. For me, that's a perfect entry for to short the stock market. So I would go sell the DAX and the Dow, and there's SPX. Okay, so that's perfect entry to sell the SPX. The same scenario happening right here. Yesterday we expected this to happen. However, this may not be a long-term thing. If we do go like that, that's probably not bad. And where should you be expecting to go? The same situation right here we've had in the DAX. Okay, guys. So that's a very important level here to watch. That's a very, very important one. The second super important one is that one. I don't think we're gonna even come all the way down here, but never know. Everything is possible in this world. Okay, everything is possible. So if we go bigger, you guys, we talked about this channel, right? That one here, right here. So we're gonna make it beautiful and colorful, triple color like that, so you guys can differentiate that one. Okay, so that's the channel. Looks like the stock market is gonna go sink down a little bit in that channel. So really, uh, if you break above that one, that's gonna offer a buy opportunity. But as long as it's not a fake break, right? You need some good momentum. What could happen also, another scenario, we can come today and tomorrow just to here, okay, and Friday with the NFP news for Thursday, then you get a bounce back, okay, then you get really good news from the US market, which I do expect to be very positive, then the stock market will fly up. So for now, this is a selling opportunity, but later on, at the end of the week, maybe it will offer a good buy opportunity. So we may get the buy to be above here. Okay, this one may offer a buy opportunity right here. Cool. That's something to keep the eyes on. Okay, guys. So, but right now this is coming down. Technically, this is going down. So it's bouncing back from a downward correctional channel. So that's a channel right here because it's going up and down, and that's downward because it's not going up, it's going down, and it's been heading towards the top more, but it needs one down to just to complete this beautiful structure and looks nice. It needs to come one wave down either to here, which is the same level. This scenario is also possible. You may get one to just to this level right here, like that. Okay, then it will bounce from here, which is fine. We would like to see that. Then break to the upside. So it's nice. We have talked about the 3050, which is really round number, very important. You can see has been important. 1, 2, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times so far. That's only in that area. This is the difference between you are in up or down, kind of. Once you break the 350, you really want to buy. Once you're below it, you want to sell, kind of. Okay. The second important round number is the 2750, which is there is a big number, extra number right here, which this is a mistake. So we would fix it, look nice, and make it bigger to look clear. Okay. So that's the second round number, guys. Okay. So really, if this is broken, that broken, maybe we're gonna land all the way down here. So this is just us. Okay. So that's something to keep the eye on. Okay. Everything is possible in the market. Maybe this will bounce back and break up here, will offer a buy opportunity, or just discussing how it looks like so far. We don't know the future, right? Hi, Mr. Avelino, how are you? Nasdaq for now so far looks like short. Maybe by the end of the week is going to be a buy. Okay, guys, so we discussed about that one. New Zealand looks like New Zealand has been a good sell. Okay, guys, so New Zealand for me is only a sell. It's breaking a very important level right here after actually doing a correction and failing to hold up. So really, I'll be looking to short that one, and that's my first target right here. I will not take profit before the 62.30 and the second level, which is here, that one. And in the case of the stock market crash, that's going to be a beautiful short. So I will only be selling that one with a massive explosive to the breakout to the downside right here would be 150 quick profit in this trade. So New Zealand dollar would be a sell for me, and stop loss would be at the top here. At the top here depends on your strategy, but for me this is only a sell. I will not buy that one at all. I would actually expect that to be also a good sell. Okay, guys, that's a very strong support area. The price has been bouncing up and down, up and down. Looks like it's going to break to the down side. Okay. Okay. USD CAD possibly will have one strong wave to the upside, then come back down. Euro dollar, you guys know our forecast about the euro dollar. I think that's going amazing. I don't have to talk much about this one. It's just following the lines from top here, right? It's following everything, just doing the same. See, guys, this one and that one is doing the correction. So what you'd expect possibly to go move one candle down, then drop right here, then come in this area, make a range in that area to do a back testing, a lot of ranging. Then retest in this area, then coming back down. So possibly this is what's gonna happen. So you guys, it's good to have a big picture, big view. If you guys want to download our systems, you guys are most welcome. And daily we get good members to follow and to download our systems, and we're really happy with it. And the cost is really competitive compared to any other systems in the market or other service. So you get really good service with a very competitive price. Which is our marketing methodology. We keep the prices low so everyone can afford it without your budget. At the same time, you get really good tools and systems and free updates, and all the new systems are free. So you guys are most welcome to join and download that stuff. Okay. So if you would be trading, our trading tools, then this will be a buy, this will be a sell, and that's your stop loss. So it gives you a buy and a sell and stop loss and everything. So it's perfect system. Okay, it gives you everything. Okay, guys. Looking at the pound dollar, let's see. I think the pound dollar analysis is not going bad at all. It's going down our channel. You guys, it's a big picture right here. Just to let you guys know, we are here. Okay, so we're going in this downward channel. Okay, all the way down to here. This area we may be getting a bounce back. Okay, but long-term forecast, you guys, maybe the pound in one day is going to be equal to $1. Watch out for that. Okay, if the Brexit is going to be bad for the UK, I mean the trade deal, you don't get to have a good trade deal. So the German council just said that the UK has to live with the consequences, that they're not going to have they are not going to have a favorable trade relationship with the EU. So really she's saying that, you have to kind of take whatever you get, live with it kind of. So this is very negative for the pound, very negative for the pound, guys. Okay, so that's, I will not buy the pound at all. You can see the pound is going in perfect downward channel. Okay, what you expect is this wave is not finished yet, in my opinion. It needs to come all the way to here. Then after that, maybe we'll range and go up a little bit, then continue going down also. So any rejection, we talked about this sell from the top here. We talked about the rejection area. We made a video live with you guys. I think all going perfect. I think this is gonna crash all the way down to here at 1.2, because it's the round number, which is still 280 points. You don't have to wait till 1.2. You get 1.2050. So 1.250 kind of be smart, get out before everybody else. Okay, so let's say 2.050. That's probably where you want to get out. Okay, you want to get out of this one. Then if the price does bounce back 300 pips to the top side, so let's say if this scenario would happen, because we also have news, I do expect the news to be going down. So if this scenario, you can take screenshot of this one. If the price is going down like this, then you take profit right here. Then you wait. If the price will go back up right here, then you see a bounce from here, then you sell it again, going down all the way down to this red band, the lower band of the channel. Okay, guys. So we have sold the pound dollar from multiple locations right here. Has been going fantastic, all of it. The closer you come to the lower band of this channel, really don't open sales anymore. The better price to open is when you're close to the top and bouncing back down like that. Okay, every time you bounce back from the top, see these purple ones like that. Okay, so every time on those purple ones, every time there was a bounce back, then you really want to sell it all the way down here. EuroCAD, maybe it will go up a little bit, then later on will come down. It will depend on the Canadian news. I do expect the GDP for Canadian news to be uh, positive, like will be good news. So really, EuroCAD for me it will be only a sell. It will not be a buy. Okay. So I will only sell the EuroCAD. But however, if the stock market will crash and the oil will come down, it will take some time to bounce back. So, but for me, this is only a selling area, and that's maybe a buying area. Will depend. But for me, I only can see EuroCAD coming down here. You know, with the Canadian news, I do expect it to be positive, very positive. The GDP to be really good. Okay. If the GDP is negative and again is a forecast, then this is gonna fly up first, 150 pips, then make a big candle like that one, then later on will come back down. So this is gonna come back down later, sooner or later. So we're gonna only look to sell EuroCAD, we're gonna only look to buy it. And you can see every sell here, almost we talked about take every sell and avoid every buyer, right? That almost every sell we talked about like was beautiful, right? Even some cells we talked about, they bounced back up a little bit, but later on they came back, right? So really, it's kind of no-brainer to go and buy it, right? You want to really only sell. So what would you expect the same thing, this to continue coming down? All these waves, if each one of them is like about 250 pips. So if you get 200 pips outfit, then just to get out because you get the best outfit. Okay, probably one of the good trades also is Euro Japanese yen, guys. Okay, that's the AGP system. So if we do put the APCO here, you guys can see this is a sell in the 1 hour in the half hour time frame in the ABC system. Okay, that's probably not bad at all. So if you guys want to sell that one, your stop loss around here, so 50 pips of stop loss or something, to target around here, so about 100 pips target, so 120. That's not bad. That's possibly may work out good. Okay. Hey guys, for the trade so far looks like the Australian USD, New Zealand USD are good sells, okay? USD CAD, we are gonna wait one up move, then we're gonna sell the high price. So USD CAD, do not trade it now. You know, it's better to let this one. Okay. It will not reach that much probably. So really, you want to wait 100 pips or 150 more like this. Don't buy this one, okay? Then you want to take this down wave later on. Okay, guys. So you want to sell that price right here. So you want to sell 1.1, let's say 1.13850, or maybe even 3880. Okay. You want to sell that price, not before that. I don't think it will be good sell before this one. It may even go to 1.4. It depends on the news in both direction. So really, you do want to sell that one, and also do not buy it. Okay, don't buy that one. You sell euro dollar, then you will be buying the dollar, but don't sell the dollar against the CAD. This will not be a best choice. Sell Australia maybe, sell the pound, sell the euro, but don't sell Canadian against the dollar. Then what else? Oil, one pound franc. Yeah, Harun, I agree with you. It need to go more back up. Oil, I think that's the end right here. And pound franc. Pound franc is just like pound dollar, same scenario. Oil so far, there is no buy yet. It's not ready to buy it. Okay, we will not buy before 35. So it's either you're gonna take a chance and sell, or you don't trade it. Okay, there is no buy unless it does come down right here. So like, see this correction wave that offers a good buy opportunity. So really we need another one like this. Then you can take this buy opportunity. But right now it's probably more a sell than a buy. So the oil I will be selling the 39, okay, and the stop loss at 41 or so. And I'll take profit. Hopefully it will come all the way down to 35. And then at 35 you can see a bounce back here. I can take this buy. So those are the two levels I've been watching for the oil, guys. Okay, if you wanna guys take a screenshot of that one, that what we want to say, this coming all the way down here. So here, and then we will buy at that area right here. This will be offer a buy opportunity only if it does bounce up. Don't buy in the way down. Uh, Euro New Zealand, this is probably gonna be going up a little bit for now. Euro New Zealand for now is gonna go up. So I will not buy Euro New Zealand. However, it looks like it's gonna go up. It's not ready to sell yet. I will wait. I will wait for the price to go up here at that area. However, this is like 150 pips or so, then I'm gonna catch it from the up to the down here. Okay, so I'll be looking only to sell this one right here. When it does bounce back from this area, I'll make an X right here like this. That's an area I will be looking to sell. Okay, guys. So I hope this is clear. Okay, guys. Is there any other question right here? Euro Australia and Euro New Zealand, the most likely will go in the same direction. Excuse me. However, sometimes when the Australian and New Zealand are separating because some central banks news, some Chinese news affecting the Australia more than the New Zealand, then they're gonna have a slight difference. And that's why the Australian New Zealand pair itself, it does have volatility in it, and it does move. But and overall, they will move in the same way. Overall, sometimes for some slight differences, the Euro Australia and Euro New Zealand will be a little bit different, but nothing really big. Sometimes, let's say the Chinese news is going to be really positive. That's going to make the Euro New Zealand more volatile at that day than Euro Australia, more than Euro New Zealand, because the Chinese news does affect the Australia more than the New Zealand. Okay. That's why. Okay, guys, thanks for the like and support for the channel. Thank you. I do appreciate that. If you guys are interested in our trading systems, available on our website. So if you guys most welcome for this. I just want to let you guys, the pound Australian may offer a short-term buy. Okay, it's not the best. We were selling pound USD maybe, then this may be offering a short buy. Okay, short buy. So maybe 150 pips or 180 pips to the upside or something. But you must use a stop loss below that one. Okay. Anyway, hey guys, in the weekly forecast we talked about the USD Mexican and USD ZAR, but USD Mexican better to be a good buy, and you can see has been pushing up, and we still expect this to continue being up. That's not the best entry. The best entry was right here. You guys can see the system is amazing. So just keep to let you guys know about that. What happened in this Bitcoin? We just should delete that one. Useless. Crude oil is coming down, so I would be selling this probably as a good sell. So if we put right here, let's say sell oil, sell WTI at 39, stop loss at 41, and take profit at 35.50. Okay, this may work out. Use a small lot size, guys. Okay, small lot size. So only 1%. Okay, only risk 1%. If you do risk more than that, then you blow your account. You know, it's your choice. Okay, that's a risky market and is not for beginners or for young people to mess with. That's really risky stuff, and you guys know the risk about this. So please, we're all mature people, grown up. We're not children. So you know what you're doing when you push the button, okay? So I don't want to hear someone coming back later and say, you know, this trade was right or was wrong. If it's good, it's perfect. Thank you. I'm happy for you. If it did go wrong, then we said use only 1% risk. Any other choice, please take ownership of it because it was yours. It was not mine. Okay. This is going perfect as per the line. I don't think we can do any better than that. It's just this from last week, and that's put as a correction. Then this has been drawn even before the price does come to it. So I think that's good. That's a nice forecast for elite wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to 1.07. So I hope that will work out good, guys. I hope this works out good. Okay, guys, we discuss the market here. Any buy or any sell, it's your decision. So we discuss the market. If you see this is good, you can sell it. That's the forecast really, because if you don't make money, I'm not gonna have part of it, and also if you do lose, you're not gonna share the loss as you're not gonna share the profit. So it's your own decisions, right? So please take this as we discuss in the market. The trades are all yours. So if you guys want to share with the group what you sold, what you bought, you feel free to do that. You're most welcome. Okay. But I think that's very clear, it's telling you what we expect all the way. You can take profit right here. Uh, you know. Okay, guys, thanks for the like and support for the channel. That does really support us and help our channel grow. And also, please, when YouTube asks you if this channel is informative like this, don't give it 4 star, give it 5 star. You know, even if you're not happy with one trade or one analysis, it's okay. You know, be kind, no problem. USD CAD, wait, after the news, we will sell it. So USD CAD, we will sell it actually next week, not this week. So avoid USD CAD, ignore USD CAD. Put sell limit at 1.14, 200 pips at the top of that price and see what happens. That's possibly, it may go up a little bit, guys. Okay, if you want to take this buy, this, you see, guys, it continue to be in the range. We discussed this in the weekly forecast. We said we want to get out of this box, see that buy here, then reverse back, take the sell. That's probably going to be beautiful crashing today, guys. USD CAD right here. This is going to go possibly even higher. Okay, guys, let's see what's going on here in the market. Guys, that's the dollar index where we said that's gonna fly up, it's gonna shoot up. So what really expect after this correction down? If we go and go like that, so guys, we are right here. It's really, I would say this going all the way up to here. See this level? That's so I will not sell the dollar before this level, which is really a huge amount. This is gonna be equal to the euro dollar at 1.08, 1.07. So I will not buy euro dollar. If we go back to euro dollar, also euro yen is gonna probably push down so fast because euro dollar is correlated to the euro dollar by about 90%. So the euro dollar, which you do expect is coming down, the euro yen is just gonna keep pushing down. Also that, guys, so I do recommend the sale of the euro Japanese yen, which is more volatile by 20% more than the euro dollar, but the bill value is about 30% below the euro dollar bill value. So they do work to be equal, but the euro Japanese yen in the daily range will be a lot more volatile, as Japanese yen is more volatile than the dollar against the yen. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Long story short is euro yen is gonna come down, in my opinion. Okay, guys, so euro dollar, you can see this is gonna keep pushing. You guys, if you go make this, if you guys use the 1 minute time frame just like you guys do, that's a big thing, right? That's huge. See, if you, I know a lot of you guys use the 1 minute time frame. Look at that. No, that drive you crazy. Okay, stop watching the 1 minute time frame just to go for the 1 hour. So, because it will drive you crazy. When you have a big picture and just draw everything before it does happen and you just wait for it to happen, then it makes things easy, right? It makes life beautiful. Australian Canadian probably is gonna come down. Pound Japanese yen, it's a sell. For me, it's a sell. Pound yen, pound dollar, pound franc is probably a sell. Pound dollar, pound Australian dollar, pound New Zealand dollar probably a buy. But don't go trade everything at the same time. EuroCAD, yeah, probably you can sell a small lot size or something. EuroCAD is not too bad. But be careful, EuroCAD is news trade because there is big news in the CAD. Okay, guys? There is big news in the CAD. Hi, Tanver, how are you, man? Hi, Yahya. Salam. Okay, guys, so let's see what's going on here. You guys, you can see Japanese yen index is pointing to the downside here. Okay, so if this continue pushing down, then all the JPY pairs are going to continue coming down, which we want to see. If you look at the 1 hour time frame in the Australian index, it's been pushing down as expected, guys. We said only Australian and New Zealand index we're going to only sell. We expect them, both of them, to crash. And that's going to happen if the SPX and the DAX are going down. You can see right here, this is reversing a little bit. Probably the DAX is the same thing, it's reversing a little tiny bit. Okay, so watch out for this also. Okay, guys, so just to give about how much time now, 55 minutes. Use the JPY, just avoid that pair, it's gonna be really slow, but probably a buy. Use the JPY, probably a buy. So that's 55 minutes, guys. We're gonna call it good for now for 1 hour, and hopefully today in New York time we can come back and give you guys update about the market. If we can do that, for sure we'll try. And thank you for joining me today. That was my pleasure. That was my honor also. I hope you guys will be in profit. Please trade safe. We are all growing our people. We work hard to get, to make a real bank account. So you're not trading a demo account. So please take care of your risk management. The market is always there. But if you don't trade your account with respect, it will not be there tomorrow, okay? We all know about that. So this is the risky market. Please make sure you trade safe. Use a proper lot size. You take 1%, 2% maximum per one trade. So if things don't go right, you don't get upset. You don't start making bad decisions. You can continue. You can live to fight another day. Okay, guys. So we want to live to fight another day. That's the main thing in this battle. Not every day is a good trading day. So we don't want to get really rich in one day, but at the same time, we don't want to lose everything in one day. So we want to survive, we want to fight another day, continuous small profit better than trying to make something so big, then you lose it all. Okay, thanks guys. Have a wonderful day and goodbye. Thank you for the support for the channel, all the likes and stuff. Okay, goodbye.